Yo, what's up guys, what's up? Yo, what's up guys, yo, what's up? Guys, like my game, I made it. Let's see. This is the name. And what is this? See, this is the other of the failures. You know that? It's failures. Try this, Wembo Wembo's underscore SMPWWW. Wait. It's my SMP guys. By the way, see? So let me turn on my, oh my gosh, where's the thing? Maybe, yeah. Like I'm not slash. Now I'm surviving. Yeah. This is what I mean. I want to use that combat. You can see this side. Welcome to Wembo's SMP. Have fun. Nick. Don't wanna proceed. Go through here. That was easy. Now, look at this. This might take too long because finally it will teleport you randomly near the border. Near. That's what I hate about. I can't find the new code. Guys, let's find some stuff. I need the pickaxe. You can actually get a starter item too, but it's limited. Every time I can get online, I will restock it. Let's do the parkour. This is the start. I'm just gonna maybe we have an enchantment. Yeah, enchantment. Don't let me. Okay. Finally. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's play on it for a while. I lagged and they saw something. Wait. OLED 60 FPS and lag. It's a bad PC, man. So, I don't need those jump. Let's just dig down. See if it's. There's a cave. There's a cave, man. Oh. I'm sleepy. Man. Chick Slim Shady. This is a very This is my area. I'm scared of FE. Also, S is filled with bacteria. There's no. Oh my gosh. Oh, I saw something. I lagged. I saw a cave. Okay. That's scripted by the way. Lag again, so I can see them. Like orbs. Oh my gosh. Fog. Oh my gosh. Wow! Tower. Go! Yeah. Go! Diba?
Meron pang nag-play sa game mo?
Wala. Nagkakanto mo na ako nag-video ko. At least, without man.
Okay.
Okay. Malagbo. Come here. Let's finish with this. You know what? Oh, hell. Malago. Slim Shady. My name is Slim Shady. Okay, here. Nabans. Anyone can play my game. My name is no, I'm not this. My name is oh, yes. Figure it out. Not just Thanks. Oh my gosh. This is the border. The border. Sir. My mouse is broken. Just don't stop. I do. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I'll take this. Okay. Nice. I'll give them this. I'll do this with this. Thank you, my ultra instincts. No. My name is not Slim Shady. My name is Roach. No, die. My name is get off me. I've been escaping from danger. Stop. My bad player. Yes. Please, I'll take the fireworks. No. This one's not kind of useful. I'm not going to show you this. I'm so close to the border. I hate this. There you go. That is for today. Bye-bye, niggas. This is me to remake.